Hello, thank you for having me. My name is Zara, and I am a student from Tarfal High School. Ladies and gentlemen, today I am here as a presenter to introduce the research conducted by Mrs. Nenny Moyan. This research focuses on rebuilding uninhabitable houses using environmentally friendly materials, with the aim of reducing the spread of viruses and creating healthier living environments for communities. This research was conducted in collaboration with United Nations Institute for Training and Research, UNITAR, an institute under the United Nations that focuses on research, training, and capacity building. The research locations were in several villages in Tikirok District, Sukabumi Regency. Honorable representatives and officials of UNITAR, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good morning, afternoon. First of all, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to UNITAR for giving me this valuable opportunity and for placing your trust in me. I would also like to extend my appreciation to everyone who has supported and contributed to this research until its completion.